In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Jira project key. Jira, a popular project management tool used by software developers and project managers, organizes work into projects and tasks. Each project in Jira is identified by a unique key, which is crucial for linking work, searching for project tasks, and ensuring your team is aligned and organized. Finding this key might seem daunting at first, but don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's start by navigating to your Jira workspace. You'll want to log into your Jira account first. Once logged in, your dashboard or homepage should appear. From here, you're going to look for a specific section called Your Work. This section is designed to give you a quick overview of your current projects and tasks that you're working on or need to pay attention to. After you've located the Your Work tab, click on it. This action will redirect you to a new page where all the projects you're involved with are listed. Take a moment here to browse through the list and find the project for which you need the key. This step is pretty straightforward, but remember, if you're working on multiple projects, make sure you select the correct one to avoid any confusion down the line. Once you've identified and selected the correct project, look for the Project Settings option. This is usually found on the bottom left of your screen, within the project workspace. Clicking Project Settings will take you deeper into the administrative aspects of your project. It's here that you can make changes to your project's details, manage user roles, and, of course, find your project key. Under Project Settings, there's a segment specifically labelled Details, or sometimes Project Details. Head over to this section next. It's here in the Project Details that Jira houses all the fundamental information about your project, including its name, project lead, project description, and most importantly for our purpose, the project key. The project key is prominently displayed under the Project Key section. It's usually a combination of letters and occasionally numbers that represents your project. This key is unique to your project within the Jira platform, helping you and your team quickly identify tasks related to this project across the board. Jira auto-generates this key based on the project name when the project is first created, but it can be customized by the project admin if needed. Understanding and knowing your project key is beneficial for several reasons. It serves as a shorthand for your project, making it easier to tag tasks, search for project-related issues, and filter reports. It's especially handy for larger teams working on multiple projects simultaneously. So, take a moment to note down your project key and make sure it's something you and your team can easily remember and use. And there you have it. That's all it takes to find your Jira project key. A few simple clicks and you're there. Remember, the project key is a powerful piece of information that streamlines your workflow on Jira, ensuring your project's tasks are easily identifiable and manageable. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: if you ever need to change your project key for any reason, ensure that all team members are aware of the change to avoid any confusion. Changes to project keys should be made sparingly and with caution, as it affects how tasks are identified and linked within the platform. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has made finding your project key in Jira a breeze. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your project management tools. Goodbye for now, and happy managing.